In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an auto insurance quote on Geico mobile app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start your quote and what information to enter so you can see an estimate quickly and confidently. Begin by navigating to the Geico experience where you start quotes. On the app or the home page, look for the insurance section and choose auto. This takes you to the quote setup screen. Here, type in your zip code carefully since pricing and eligibility can vary by location, and then select start. Quote. If you're unsure which zip to use, enter the one where the vehicle is primarily garage, not a mailing address or a temporary location. Next, the app will guide you through entering your details across a few main sections. Start with the customer section. Provide your full legal name exactly as it appears on your driver's license, your date of birth, and your physical address. Using your physical address is important because it helps determine availability and accuracy. Avoid using a P.O. box. Double check spelling and numbers as you go. Incorrect entries can change your quote or cause verification issues later. As you continue, simply follow the on-screen prompts and fill in the fields the app requests. The interface typically moves you forward step by step, so you can complete each screen before proceeding. If you see a progress indicator, use it as a guide to know how far along you are. Take a moment to read any small notes beneath each field. They often clarify what's needed, like the format for dates or apartment numbers. If your device offers autofill, confirm that everything it inserts matches your official information, especially birth dates and addresses, before moving on. A few quick tips can make this smoother. Have your driver's license nearby to ensure names and dates match. Make sure your address reflects where the vehicle is usually parked overnight. If you encounter a required field you're unsure about, look for help icons or brief explanations on the screen. These often provide the context you need without leaving the quote flow. And if the app asks follow-up questions based on your answers, that's normal. Responding accurately helps tailor the estimate to your situation. Once you've completed the prompts in these sections, the app will compile your details and generate your auto insurance quote. If something looks off, retrace your entries for typos or mismatches since even small errors can affect the number you see. That's it. You've started your quote and provided the key information needed for an accurate estimate.